Hey, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're grilling stuffed peppers. You're going to love it. Alright guys, first things first. I got the produce here. I'm using half a yellow onion. And I'm using 3 green bell peppers today. Use whatever color you want. All I did was I cleaned it out, washed it out, kind of took out all the membrane. And that's it. Next we're going to do our mixture. Alright guys, I got my large pan right here. Got a little olive oil in there. It's heating up. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to dump my onion in. And I'll put in a teaspoon of garlic in. Now I'm just going to let this go for about a minute. I want everything to get that nice translucent color. I want those flavors to start blending together. Get the aromatics going on here. Alright. So anyway, stuffed peppers, I'm not sure where you're from, and if they don't have it, you know, it's big here in New York. You know, you go in any deli, grocery store, you're going to find stuffed peppers. And people do them all different ways. This is a real basic kind of stuffed pepper that you're going to see all over the place. But anyway, alright, so we're going to let this go right now, right? Now, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of some tomato paste. Alright. Well, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to start mixing this in, nice and easy. Oh, I just made a mess. I'm making a mess all over the place. That's why I like cooking outside. Don't got to worry about making a mess. So, next step is I got a pound of ground beef right here. This is 80-20. You could use whatever, it really doesn't matter. Just gonna throw it in, brown it up nicely. That's all we're doing. We're just mixing everything together nicely. Alright, so once everything's cooked, you're gonna drain that excess fat. You're gonna go with the next step. I had a cup of uncooked rice. Now it's cooked. I'm just going to throw it in. Also, what I'm going to do, I got some Italian seasoning. Just sprinkle a little on top. That's it. Just need a little. Don't got to go crazy. All we're going to do is just work this in. We want that rice to absorb the flavor and the color in. Alright, so you can see how the rice absorbed that color. We got a nice orangey reddish look right now. Now that's nice. At this time you want to put in any kind of veggies, any kind of anything different, add it in. Right now this is basically done, this pepper filling. Now keep in mind, you don't have to use ground beef. You could always go with a turkey or a chicken or even a sausage. You know, this is just a basic, easy recipe. Now, we want to pack it in, but we don't really want to stuff it in. We don't want to press it down. You know, we just want to kind of put it in nice and loose, but we just want to make sure it's filled up. Now, once it gets to the top, like this, nice and easy, I'm just going to put it to the side. Alright guys, so I got this item sent to me to try out. This is the Strong Digital Thermometer by FVVL. You can find it on Amazon. Pretty cool. It has backlight, changes Celsius, Fahrenheit. Looks like you could change different modes here. Looks like it has a picture of a cow. One thing that's really cool, what I thought was really cool, was it comes with a probe where you could just stick it right into here, and it's magnetic, so you could just let your food go. Really nice. So definitely think it's going to be a nice little item. Going to check it out. It also has a cool bottle opener back here. That's nice. Alright, so we're going to check this out. Alright guys, time to throw our peppers on. Now we're just going to put them on one side, indirect, let them cook. Just keep in mind, the filling's already cooked already. We just want that pepper to get a little nice and soft. That's it. Alright, we're going to check it out real fast. It's starting to look good. Getting a little softer. But got the probe in there, we're going to check it out. It's pretty cool. Alright, just going to let it go. Another 15 minutes went by. That's what we're looking at. Oh yeah, these are nice and soft. These are perfect. So at this point, I'm going to add some mozzarella. Nice cheese on there. That's going to be great. So here we are, stuffed peppers. These things look awesome. Now it's up to you. You could eat it just like this, or you get some good marinara sauce, throw it right on top, and that's going to be slamming. That's what I'm going to do. But guys, try this out. Let me know what you think. Oh, before we go, I gotta say, this thermometer came through. I like the double function that it has the probe wire. That's very, very cool. Check it out. I'm going to throw the link in down below. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. You guys enjoy. Have a great day.